Well, we just came back from Lowe's, and as you can see, we got a brand new pressure washer. This is a Greenworks 2000 PSI, and it's an electric pressure washer. So I've already cut the tape off, but this is, we're opening it up for the very first time. And look, we got some wrapping stuff. We have a nozzle and a wheel. With this, you can do anything. This is, you know that, because when they invented the wheel, man became intelligent. So there you go, you got wheel. So we'll put the wheel right there, and put the nozzle right there. And then we have, whoop, 2 wheels, like a motorcycle. We're good to go. Life is good. And we have a bag full of parts. We have a hose and parts. Let's see, what else have we got? No. I don't know what I have here. Do you mind? There's nothing in there to eat. There is nothing in there to eat. See, we have a handle, and we have a felt thingy. Now I take this piece out. Oh yeah. Book, box, and that's the pressure washer unit right here. Check that out. All right. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble all of these cool pieces. Hopefully the directions are good. Well, here's the instructions, and I guess the first part of this will be. Oh, well, this is to register your new tool online. We'll do that later. And then put that in there. And then this is the, I think this is the assemble your stuff. Yep, this is how to assemble it. So we're going to assemble it and see where that goes. So I'm going to stick this under the tire. And there's a owner's manual. And it says first thing to do. It doesn't have a first step. I guess you do whatever you like. Alright, first thing you do is put the wheels on. And it doesn't require any tools according to this thing. All I need to do is to find the axles. Here they are. I'll open this bag. Open the bag up. And it's got, whoops. Got a screw there. We got axle, 2 hairpins, and a couple of washers. So washers go to the inside of the wheel. So the axle pin goes in the hole, and there's a washer. Okay, like so. So here's the axle. Can you see the axle, and there goes the washer? Mm-hmm. And this goes there, because the first step is to put these wheels on. And there goes the first wheel is in place, and a hairpin through the axle. There we go. There's that one. I'll turn this around. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you get to see this. I guess the next thing now is to put the handle together. The handle goes on this side, and the other handle, this one, goes maybe just like that. So we're going to put all of these handles together. There you go. And there's that handle. It goes goes over this thing here. It comes down here and it does itself. You mind? Come on. Be nice to me. I'm not mean to you, am I? Good girl. Good girl. It's always good to have dog help. You never know when you're going to run out of needing dog help, you know? Alright, let's get this one in first. Alright, so these are on. And this thing here, this thing goes on here. There's it go like that. And then this thing here goes on there. And this, there we go, that goes like that, that goes there. And I guess that goes like that. I guess that's so that you can put stuff on there. Probably the hose. I'm going to have to come back and tighten that up. And then that all goes on here this way. It's got these little push buttons. Oh, look at that. See, they pop right out. And there you go. And then this gets hung on something. I'll put it there for the time being, just to get this stuff out of the way. And that's pretty cool, isn't it? Ow, ow. Don't put your fingers in there. Alright, so the water goes in here, and the water comes out here, and this is the hose, and this is the wand, and the wand, and I'm not sure what this is. It's in the bag. It's the last thing in the bag. But evidently it goes in there. So that must be some kind of tip. So now we are fully assembled. This goes in here. So I take it, this cap has to come off. Alright, so there we go. That's it right there. And here's another cap. And I think if I see more O-rings, I'm going to have to stop and get something to lubricate them with. I put soap on these O-rings. Anytime you got O-rings, and especially when they go inside of something, they should be lubricated, even if it's just soap. Not only does it make it go together better, but it also protects the O-ring. And as you can see, with my helping dog, I am putting the output side of the output side of the hose is on the is connected. So here, now you can see the insert right in here, and this has got soap on it too, so it goes in. So we should be, we're not tangled up in this cord. I guess I may not have thought this out too well, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Take this apart. Go. And see where the nozzle goes on the thing there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to kind of stretch out this hose. So give me a minute and I'll be back. Now we got the cord laid out, so it's not a curly-Q mess. Now I can, as you can, I don't know if you can see the handle is got a little place for it to go, where it makes it nice. We put the hose back in here, and we're almost all set. So all that's left now is put water and electricity to it. So we'll be back with water and electricity. As you can see, this has done a pretty decent job of cleaning, and I have no idea what nozzle this is, what it's supposed to do or what. But